Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a video comparing the St. Laurent wristlet versus the Uptown clutch. I recently purchased both of these from Selfridges for a significant amount of savings over the US prices, and I've uploaded a video on how I was able to do that and like tips and tricks on how I was able to save some money. If you're interested in that video, I'll link it below. And let me first say that I've not used either one of these at all at this point, and this is purely a first impression comparison. I've watched a lot of videos prior to purchasing these items and thought that I knew what I was getting into, but I didn't realize that there were issues with why one of them would not work for me. But that being said, if you love reviews on luxury items, lifestyle, and travel, I'd love it if you take a little bit of your time now and click the subscribe button to my channel and click the bell notification. Now, back to the comparison. First, let me go over the prices. As of August 2022, the wristlet is currently $520 from Selfridges plus tax, or $725 in the US from like either Saks or Neiman Marcus. Versus the Uptown clutch is, I purchased it for $430 from Selfridges, versus in the US market, it's $595. That means that the wristlet is $130 more expensive in the US pricing than the clutch. And in the Selfridges pricing, its wristlet is $90 more expensive. Now, let's go over the dimensions. The clutch is certainly wider than the wristlet, and the wristlet is slightly taller than the clutch. Okay, so this is about 10.5 inches or almost 27 centimeters, not quite. And this is a little over 6 inches, about 15.5 centimeters. The depth it's nothing, it's just glazed over. Now, the wristlet is much shorter, is 9 inches or about 23 centimeters, versus the height is 6.25 inches or about 16 centimeters, very similar in height. And the depth is a little bit wider, obviously, because of the way it's sewn in. Let's go over the weight, 211 grams or 0.465 pound or 7.4 ounces. And this one is 218 gram or 7.7 ounces. So this is slightly heavy, but really they feel about the same. Okay, let's see what fits in these two items and see which one fits more. Okay, so normally I don't carry that much. Obviously, you're not going to carry that much whenever you're carrying a thin wristlet. So no big full-size wallet for us. Most likely you'll carry a card holder, a small card holder, a AirPod, another card case. Okay, so it's all lined up here, and a phone. I'm going to try to put the phone on this side. So you can see the indentation right here. So let's see if can I put the phone vertically? Let me see. Can I? Nope. So like that. All right. It is a magnetic closure. So if you're holding on to like this, I think this feels okay. Okay, but it is, as I fill it more, I could imagine, let's see if I can fill it a little more. I don't know why you would, but let's just see if it'll fit one more card holder. Now it's not gonna, it's not completely lining up. So theoretically you can carry this like this, but look. So I certainly wouldn't carry it like that. I would take one of these out. Too many things. This is a wristlet, not a purse or clutch. So here it's okay, and I can put my mask, and sometimes I might not even need this. So let's just see if I could just have a card case AirPod and mask, and you could probably fit in a lipstick or something. So here, and you can see a little bit of edge of my phone. Let's see if I can adjust this so that it doesn't show. Okay, so you could still see a little bit of edge. One thing I like about this is that it is pebbled leather, so it feels very, very durable. Let me also show you whether my Zoe wallet fits in here. And I'm not gonna try to put all of it separately, but it does fit. Okay, let me also show you whether this card case will fit in here. And obviously it does fit horizontally, but vertically it will not close. Versus this one, if I put this vertically, plenty of room to close nicely. The YSL long card holder fits really nicely vertically. Now, okay. So let's see what would fit in here. One of the nice thing about this wristlet is that if you don't want to have a card case, you could just, there's a pouch. I mean, there's a, yeah, I guess it's called a pouch. Pouch, 6 card slots, and another pouch. So you could, there is organization within this wristlet, but normally I don't like to take my cards out. So let's just see if this will fit a small card holder, an AirPod, my phone. I'm gonna put my phone in here, sort of away. My mask. And it's fine. Let's see if I can fit one more in. See if I fit this card holder. And it's very secure, obviously. Let me see if I can fit one more in. Ooh, I think I'm pushing it to its limits. This card holder, will it fit? It will, but it is quite, let's see if it'll, if push comes to shove, can you? Oof, I certainly wouldn't do that. That's way too much. But it is able to fit all that stuff. So it fits. I feel like this, even though its width is less because of this depth, it's able to fit more comfortably, I feel like, than the clutch. And the clutch, because it's magnetic closure versus a zipper, this feels much more secure to me. Now, you might say that this is not as fancy for evening wear as for some occasions as this is. I suppose that's the case. I can see where that's the case. But for me, for my lifestyle, this is fancy enough. Let's see if this again fits this, obviously, Zoe wallet. This will fit here vertically fine. This LV card holder. Let's see if glasses will fit in. I have this glass case. Oh, you can. It does fit. Wow, I'm surprised. Now, will this fit my glass case? What would happen if I do this? It will, but of course then it's very much limited. I don't think I can put this in. Nope, this is just not looking good, is it? No, it won't. It just won't. Nope. So now you've seen that this definitely fits more than this. So I don't know that I would carry this around in this thing. If I do carry glasses, reading glasses or something, and the phone, no, that's way too thick. So no, this has to be, it looks better when it's flat like this. Next, let me go over how I've seen people wear each of these items. The thing with this wristlet is that it is a wristlet. It's a clutch wristlet, and that's about it. That's it. So it's not very versatile in the way you can wear it. However, I've seen people wear this as a clutch, just like holding it like this, or using a bag insert and using it to add chains and wear a crossbody over the shoulder. So let me go over one way. I don't have a bag insert. If you guys have used bag inserts in this, let me know how you like it and whether you've had any issues. I always worry with bag inserts like this, in an item like this, whether it's gonna pull out at all or whether this magnet would give out. So, but let me show you what I've seen some people do is to just get a chain like this. This doesn't match, but you'll get the idea. And putting it under. Oh, look, this is clinging to the magnet right here. So there you go. And there you go. Now you have a over-the-shoulder bag strap. One thing I am concerned about if I do wear it this way all the time is what the wear would be in this glazing over time. So I'm not sure that I'd want to do that all the time. Also, when you put this down, it's gonna fall like this. So I don't know how convenient it is. So if you see, I'd hate to open this and then have this chain fall. So I know people have shown that on YouTube as an alternative way to wear it, but I think for me it would be kind of a pain because this will, fall like that. So for me, that's not I don't know. I guess for looks and you're not going to open and close this clutch a lot, then it's fine. But as a practical, no fuss kind of way to wear it, I'm not sure that I would do that. Let me know, for those of you who have used bag inserts on this, whether it takes away from the capacity inside and how you like using it. Maybe instead of doing, you can double it like this and use it it feels very secure actually. So that feels really secure. So I suppose you can do this. Or if you just want to use one side, you could do this and have it over the shoulder. I think that's very cute. And it feels very secure. So you definitely don't want to overstuff it in case the magnet doesn't hold like that. Oh, this is a pain. Ugh, that magnet with the metal chain. Okay. So I think I would rather, I think it may be a good idea to get a bag insert so that the strap attaches at the end rather than going through and getting caught up in this magnet. So which one is for me and which is for my daughter? Well, I carry a lot usually, so a lot more than my daughter. So I will be keeping this for myself, and I thought I could use this on our next trip. We have a function to go to, and I can just carry this to dinner. And one thing nice about carrying a wristlet to dinner or anything like that is you can put this on your lap and just cover it with a napkin. You don't have to worry about where am I going to put my expensive bag. I don't want to make I don't want to draw any attention and ask for a separate chair for my bag. No. But this would be very, very convenient to use. And also I can use it as a pouch on my travels as well. For my daughter, who has several functions she has to attend to this year, this would be really, really nice for her to use this as a clutch. She doesn't want to use it just as a clutch, so she's looking to buy a bag insert for it. So I would, again, love your input on what you think of using a bag insert. Did it work out for you? Was it not practical? What was your experience? Anyway, which one would you choose? Would you choose the wristlet or clutch? If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.